Hi friends, choosing a suitable WordPress theme always being a challenge for us. WP Themes channel gives you best selected WordPress themes, and in this video I have a great education WordPress theme. It is UniCoach and it is specifically made for live coaching and online courses websites. UniCoach is a multi-purpose upskill WordPress theme, and it is really a wonderful theme, and it has all the features available with it which you need for an education or online course website. The theme has been developed by the Web Genius Lab and they are elite authors. The theme was actually made last year only. In fact, this is a new theme and it is going to be give you a unique look, as it is having a very less number of copies on the web, and the regular update for this theme is also being done, so you can say this theme is well compatible with the WordPress versions and other related plugins. UniCoach is a creative unique WordPress theme which has multiple demos, so you can choose any of the available demos as per your requirement and choice, and it is compatible to premium plugins as well, like Elementor, Revolution Slider, WooCommerce, Zoom, which is very important for education websites, and LearnPace plugin. So meeting and chat in Zoom can be possible using this theme, and you can easily create courses using LearnPace, and student reviews and all such things are here. And if we talk about the demo website, this is the demo website using UniCoach WordPress theme, which has very clear and stunning look, to the point, and you'll get, I'll come to the demo, and it has having all the features. This is the demo website actually, that was the landing page, and it has all the features which you need for an education website. So if we talk about all courses and the course listing, this is our team page, and this is another demo website using UniCoach WordPress theme. So it is presenting the content in a very professional manner. You can easily choose this theme without any doubt for your upcoming education website project. And this is the Zoom course list. I'll show you all the things, and I'm also adding the link of my website where you can get this theme and interact directly with me for any question related to this theme. Just follow the link given in the description of this video and you will be able to get the theme and rest of information as well. So this is the listing of Zoom Grid, and this is the detailed course listing page, which is presenting a very clear and well organized information. So in this video we are going to install the UniCoach WordPress theme along with the demo content, and we will also preview the theme options and the customization options required for this theme. And you have a reason to watch this video until end, as you never know if you are going to decide this theme, taking this theme, what features actually you are going to get in the theme. So it is utmost important for you that you know all the features coming on your website, how you will handle your website, what facilities you can have with this theme or any other theme. This is the basic idea of WP Themes channel. So be with me until the end of this video, and I believe you are already a subscriber of this channel. If you have yet not subscribed this channel, please subscribe, as I am going to bring wonderful themes, plugin and utilities for you. And This Unicoach is having multiple demo website with it. So it is home, English course, and business coach, home main, life coach, and all such things. So you will be able to choose any. And let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress with me, in which the default 2021 WordPress theme has been installed, and I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have child theme, licensing, the main theme file, and the documentation. To begin the installation, we have to go in the theme section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose the theme file, theme version, and this is the Unicoach 1.0.5. this needs to be chosen here. And okay, so if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file in the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time, and I will be able to show you the theme file size in this manner. And theme file size is just 13.28 MB. So we can conclude that this theme is well optimized, and this is why it is going to run very fast on your website as well. And this is another advantage with this theme. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back. I must tell you, both the activities of uploading theme are same. Either you can upload the theme using this WordPress interface or directly on your web hosting. I have chosen to upload directly on web hosting, and this is the uploaded file. Now we can extract the uploaded file. And the extraction outcome is this Unicoach folder, in which we got all the theme components, folders and files are here. So now we can delete the zip one. We have already extracted it, it is not required now, and we are fine to go in the theme section again. And now we have Unicoach as another theme option. This is version Unicoach version 1.0.5, and this Web Genius Lab team presents absolutely fresh and powerful WordPress theme. It combines new technology and functional design that helps to showcase your content in a better way. This WordPress theme is developed with attention to details, so you can create effective presentation of website easily. Enjoy building web page with product. Fine, this was the introduction, and we can activate at okay. So upon activation, we got landed on the welcome page of Unicoach WordPress theme, and Unicoach is already installed and ready to use. We can start building website from here as well, as the theme has been installed, but better we install all the required indicated plugins. And let us see what plugins has been recommended or required for this theme. These three plugins are required: Elementor, LearnPress and Unicoach Core. Rest all are recommended only, but definitely we need all the plugins for complete features of this website, and I am choosing to install all the plugins in one go. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one to avoid an error during the installation process, as it contains Revolution slider, WooCommerce, this, and you can see all the plugins got installed in just few seconds. So this is the server capacity, all depends upon your server capacity. And if you are ordering this theme, the Unicoach WordPress theme, at WP Themes channel, following the link given in the description of this video, you can also combine the order with such hosting plans, which works very fine and comes on a very reasonable price. So it is up to you, you can get theme only, or you can combine the order with the hosting plans as well. So it can be helpful for you. And also the pre-installed, if you order the theme with the hosting plan, it will be available in a pre-installed manner. That means it will come pre-installed with the hosting, so this effort can be good for you. Okay, so we have already installed the plugins, and now we have to activate all the installed plugins, and that can also be done in a single click. And wonderful, all the plugins has been installed and activated. I'm simply clicking on the dashboard. As we have already installed the WooCommerce, it may require further information like address and also things, and generally WooCommerce needs such information after installation. So yes, it is being redirected to WooCommerce welcome information page, and you have to put all the information displayed on the screen, and you have to complete the process of information feeding here. And I am just skipping this escape as I don't need to put on information. I am just demonstrating the theme, but remember, you have to fill all the information. My WooCommerce has been installed with this, and since we have already installed the theme and all the plugin set, so we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and plugins. And this is the basic look of Unicoach WordPress theme, and this is core look because it is not having any content. And at this stage, to make a target website like any of these, we need to have a demo content set, and of course we will go for importing the demo content. And after that, I'll show you the theme options. This is broad theme options, and I'll also show you the listing options with the LearnPress. And let us find the demo import, and it is laying under the theme options. So demo importer is here under theme options. Just click on the demo importer, and yes, so demo importer is here on the screen, and it is having only one option to click on import demo. I am clicking on import demo, but remember, your server core vitals should be good for doing this activity. So again, it depends on your server, so be sure the PHP and all such things has been well set, and after that you can import the demo. And I am clicking on import demo, and it has been started now, and the screen itself is saying the progress. It is as since it has been started, and it is showing some error. We will check what error in this, and we will also proceed after that. Okay, so I just checked about all the possible patches for rectifying the error we are getting in importing the demo content, but I did not find any solution. So I can conclude that there is something error from the developer side with this theme, and we are actually unable to import the demo website like even in the demo site. So at this stage, I may conclude that the demo import is failed for Unicoach WordPress theme. However, rest of things are fine. So theme options are there. I will show you the theme options. So but I just wanted to reconfirm you that demo install is failed, and if you actually want this theme with all the demo website, I mean at least one of the demo website, it is not possible with this installation, as I found, because I checked thoroughly the documentation. There is no option for manual demo import, and I also tried to install the same copy of theme and different version of this theme on my another server, but that also got failed. So I'm sure there is something which I don't know, and which I need to explore and found, and I will definitely give the solution. If I just in case I found the solution, I will give the description. In the description of this video, I will give the detail, and also will try to record another video for the demo only. Rest of things are fine, but demo import is not going through as of now. But yes, theme options are here. You can go through the theme option. Decision is yours. You can develop the site from scratch using these theme options. This is the scratch website without any demo content. It is fine, it is working good, and you can even start developing from here if you don't want a demo website like this, and you can make it your own. But rest of things are fine. And this is the header part. Header, you can build the header builder is here, so it is easy, and logo, menu and search part is here. So header builder can help you in making the header. Similarly, STK header, header mobile, logo part is here, and the theme option, the page title section is here. So there are different settings available in the page title section. Typography and responsive part is also given in that page title. Footer is here, so we can have in the multi-column, 4-column, 2 or 3-column footer, and rest of controls is available here. LearnPress, basic setting of LearnPress can be done from this screen. So single and archive related and also things. Blog, portfolio, team, 404, side panels, sidebars. So sidebar is here, so you can use different sidebars like socials here. Color setting is here, so we can control the complete color of website. Typography, advanced and demo importer is not working, as I said. So LearnPress is here for course listing and all. So you might be aware, as you have targeted to make a education website, so LearnPress help in that regard. So you can upload the LearnPress section, courses from the LearnPress section, and everything is here. The rest of things are common as in WordPress. So theme is good, but the negative part of this theme, that with at least with this installation, that we are unable to import the demo, and no worries. So on this channel I have covered almost all the best education WordPress themes, so you can choose any either of this. So nothing to worry, and we will come with another video with a great theme, of course. And till then, goodbye, thank you.